you are planning to move in the south and you are still looking for a ready for occupancy house and lot na malapit sa New Valley, sa Tagaytay, and very accessible to medyo thoroughfares going to Manila or Batangas, well, this video might be for you. Right now, we are here in Greenfield City, one of the master plan development here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Let me welcome you here in Pramana Residential Park. And before we start, by the way guys, I'm Jen Sorne, your Elite Properties, and I'll be touring you this beautiful house right at my back, sitting in 210 square meter lot area with a floor area of 159 square meter. So as you can see, this property is a corner lot and it's facing east. So let's go guys and let's start our quick house tour. In this area, of course, makikita nyo, this is the area for our parking garage that can perfectly fit at least 2 vehicles. So mapapansin nyo din, no, we still have an additional space going to the back of our property and going inside our property. But ipapakita ko sa inyo later, pakita muna natin yung other side of our property since I mentioned to you that this is a corner lot. So makita nyo, napakaganda talaga. It really gives a good vibes, no? Na pwede nyo pagandahin in the future. Pwede kayo maglagay ng mga plants na pwedeng maging ating gate kasi here in Pramana Residential Park, this is a gateless community. So, pasok naman tayo sa ating pinaka-main door and going to our main door, we still have a few steps here that will lead us inside. So, let's go guys! And upon entering, always naman sumasalubong sa atin ng ating living area. So this is the space for living area kung saan nyo pwede ilagay yung ating mga sofa or couch. Makita nyo rin yung ating mga glass window. Nagbibigay siya ng natural light going inside to our property. So in this area, pwede nyo ilagay yung ating entertainment na para talaga ma-perfectly fit or ma-enjoy natin while hanging out with our family. So in this area, nandito ang ating powder room, perfect sa ating mga bisita or mga relatives na dumadalaw sa atin. The dining area will be located here. So nakita nyo, napaka-spacious pa din niya, no? And meron siyang sliding door going to the back of the property. So mapapansin nyo, napakalaki pa talaga ng additional space natin in this area. So hanggang dito yung magiging pinaka-line ng ating property. So dito pwede tayo maglagay ng ating pinaka-fence at napakaganda. So, nakita nyo, di ba? Very spacious pa. Madami pa kayong pwede ipagawa or pwede nyo enhance in the future. Pwede siyang i-extend for additional room kung gusto nyo or additional entertainment or office area. So, the kitchen area is located here. Meron tayo dito kitchen countertop or counter bar. Pwede kayo mag-alagay ng additional chairs to maximize the space. Meron na tayong mga built-in cabinets. So, may space na rin dito. Pwede siyang for your refrigerator or pwede rin siya pang gas stove or pwede rin dito. It will depends on you kung paano mo siya i-maximize mo. So, ito yung other side ng ating property. So, makikita nyo here, of course, nandito yung ating housekeeper's room. Meron na rin siyang sarili niyang toilet and bath. And on the other side, yung ating laundry area. So, eto makita nyo, we have a space paikot dun sa pinaka-house natin. So, ayan, nakita nyo na kung anong meron sa ating pinaka-first floor ng property na to. Napakaganda talaga. Kung mai-imagine nyo, napakadami nyo pang pwede i-enhance in the future pag nabili nyo to. Pwede kayo mag-extend for additional room, entertainment room, or anything na pwede yung i-maximize in the future. So, puntahan naman natin yung ating second floor kung saan located yung ating mga rooms. So, tara! So, we are now here sa pinaka-second floor ng ating property. Unahin natin ang ating bedroom 1. So, makikita nyo, no, ang ganda ng pagka-glass window nyo, napakalaki. And then, meron siya dito, access na sliding door. So, pag binuksan mo to, pumapasok yung fresh air. So, one thing na gusto kong ipakita sa inyo dito, no, yung property itself, it's located just in front of this park. So, wala kang katapat na bahay. So, it means open space, may greeneries, pumapasok yung natural light, yung ventilation, at of course, yung pinaka-fresh air. So, napakaganda, di ba? Pero hindi tayo dito sa other side na sliding door. So, ditong bedroom 1, napakaganda niya for me ha. Ako gusto ko yung bedroom kasi gusto ko talaga yung natural air. Minsan ako, ayoko kasi nung syempre hindi naman lahat tayo gusto naka-aircon lagi. Gusto natin nakaka-feel tayo ng fresh air. Now, syempre hindi mawawala here in second floor our common toilet and bath na located here. So, malaki din siya. It's quite spacious. Meron tayong additional storage area din dito na pwede nyo ilagay sa mga unwanted stuff na gusto nyo itago. And this will be the bedroom 2. So, the bedroom 2, it's mas maliit siya compared mo dun sa bedroom 1. But it's okay if you have a kids, no? At least mapaghihiwalay mo siya. If you're a family of 2 or 3, this will be the perfect house and lot for you and your family. And then, silipin naman natin what's inside the master's bedroom. So, here, the master bedroom is mas malaki, syempre, at meron ditong mga built-in cabinets na included. Meron din siyang sarili niyang toilet and bath na located naman here. So, makita nyo, yan. And then, meron din siyang access going to the balcony. So, makita nyo, napaka-spacious din niya as well. So, ayan, guys. So, pwede kayong magmuni-muni in the morning. You have a view of your neighborhoods. And of course, yung park na na-mention ko sa inyo. Kaya napakaganda ng location ng property. Kasi wala kang naharap na bahay. Or kahit in the future, walang haharang sa bahay mo. So, dito, no, pwede nyo ilagay dito yung inyong bed. Or on the other side, pwede pa kayo maglagay na inyong television para if ever ayaw nyo bumaba, just to spend time with your loved one. No? Talaga masasabi ko, this house and lot is perfect for a growing family. So just a quick recap about this property. This house and lot is sitting in a 210 square meter lot area with a floor area of 159 square meter. So it has 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. It also has a housekeeper's room, 2 parking garage, and this is a corner lot. So that's the quick house tour of this house and lot located here in Pramana Residential Park, developed by Greenfield Development Corporation. And the selling price for this property is 19.5 million. So ang kagandahan pa dito, no, is direct to developer. You can avail this for spot cash or bank financing. We offer a very flexible payment terms here. So if you're interested and want to see the actual property here in Pramana Residential Park and you are planning to move here in the south very soon, send me a message directly at 6391530000447. It has a Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. And hope to see you here in Greenfield City.